Hello everyone, Coder Rob here. So today I'm going to teach you some more advanced techniques for EverQuest Next Landmark. So what's on the docket today? So you see on my castle back here there's this balcony, and the balcony has very thick rails going up and down, and the rail on the top is very thick. It's because everything is one vox big. But I don't really like that look, and when I first built that I didn't know how to do anything different. But let me show you my new improved balcony here down at the bottom. So up at the top is the old style. The new style has this thin railing, and that's what I'm going to show you how to build today. So out here I've set up a couple examples. Here's one of the new railings. Here's another one just like that one, but the posts go up and down past the vertical rails. And then this one here is just something I've been playing around with, a more designed railing type look. So I'm going to show you how to do it here. Alright, I'm going to show you how to build one of the simple rails here. So all I did was I stacked voxes about 10 high, and then I deleted the 2 from the bottom so it's not touching the ground. I also put this other vox just hanging in midair here. We're going to need both of those in order to build our post here. So I now need to select all my voxes here, and I need to give it a 1 vox padding on all sides. So from left to right it has 1 extra vox padding. From top to bottom it has 1 extra. And then this side too, 1 extra. I'm getting something weird going on there. Doesn't help that that keeps popping down. Okay, so there's padding on all sides. I don't have it on above, I don't think. There we go. Alright, so I grab my smooth tool and I hold it over this. And you can click it as many times as you want. The railing I did was 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you see, we've made a very thin post is what we did. You can go thinner. I don't particularly like them much thinner than 6. So that's where I left that. As you see, we have just a really thin post. So we're going to do now the exact same thing on this. This one's a little bit more tricky. Grabbing those corners is very hard on a single vox. But we need to grab the corners, drag it out 1 in each direction. And then from top to bottom. So we have a 1 vox padding around all corners. Whatever I did this one, I'm going to do this one the same. So we're going to do this one 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what we end up with is just a very small cube. Alright, we're going to go back to our post. We're going to grab the post, the selection tool. Sometimes it doesn't want to cooperate. Alright, there we go. I'm going to do a Control C to copy it. And then I'm just going to paste it out here in space. And I'm going to actually move it up so it's off the ground. Then using my move arrow, I'm going to move to the side 2 times. 1, 2. Post another. 1, 2, and 1 more. Now I'm going to rotate this 90 degrees so we have a vertical post. And I'm going to line this up at the exact same spot. Need to make sure it's intersecting. I'm not sure it's intersecting from where I'm at. Okay, So I got it intersecting. No, it wasn't intersecting. I think I'm off by 1. I'm in front of it actually by 1. There we go. Now that behavior is normal. I'll come up here and do the same thing. Now you can see here how you can get some designs in your rail. It did it automatically for us even though we didn't really want it to. What I'm going to do now is at each intersection I'm going to delete what's there. So I got my delete tool, clicking on this intersection, this one, the 3 down at the bottom. Now this is where that single cube comes in. I need to select that cube, copy, and this gets a little tricky, but I need to be able to paste it in those spots. So there's one. There we go. We have a rail section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this into a template. And what I want is I want this top part here, and then you decide how far down you want to come. I'm only going to come down to here and then over. Now I purposely did not select this post. I purposely started with one post but did not go to the next post. And I'll show you why here. I'm going to copy this, but you can just as easily save it as a new template, and I've already done that. Now the reason we don't do any more than that is because then you can come over here and go under your templates, and I actually have 3 railings here. I'm going to place one, rotate this so you can see it. I'm going to also move it off the ground. Because of the amount of smoothing we did, if you're too close to the surface, it will pull that surface in. So I'm going to place my first one, and then I'm going to just step over a few, place the next one. So this is why you don't need a big section of it. You now have the ability to make as many of these as you need. And there you go. There's your railing. So I hope this was beneficial, and I hope to see you in other videos. Thanks a lot.